Hey YouTubers, this is Bruce coming to you from the cool Geerage. I am working out of my kitchen today and I'm going to show you a little bit of step-by-step instructions on how to smoke a boneless pork shoulder roast. It's a cut of the pork that we like. It may not be up to a smoker's precision science, but this is how I like it, how we like it, and this is what we do. So I've come up with this here. We've dried it off. I'm going to put on what is the French's yellow mustard. I've got some pulled pork rub. I've got some brown sugar. I got some Traeger spice, pork Traeger spice, and I will finish it up with the garlic powder. So with that in mind, I'm going to start. This works as a binder and it will hold the spices that you put on top. So with that, I'm going to get started. You apply this, lots of this stuff all over the place. You put it around. I will rub it all in, all sides there. You get her good and mustard. Got her, good. No problem there. Now I'm going to start to apply the rubs. And the rubs you want to put on, I put on lots. I put it all over every little bit of the mustard. So here we go. Okay, so we've now spiced it all up, rubbed it all on there. We're gonna pat it all in so it binds. That's the whole point of this exercise. The sweetness of the brown sugar works fantastic. Okay, so moving on to the liquid portion of the video. I have prepared and it was about a 10 by 14 pan. I've got about a ½ inch of water in there, and I've also got apple juice because pork and apples go well as I've also cut up an entire onion. So moving the roast over to the pan, I've got an elevated sort of a cookie pan here. Just gonna take this all ready to go, and there we have it. We are ready for the smoker. Okay, stay tuned. Welcome back to the cool Geerage Smokers Edition. Today, as you know, I've prepped up the pork shoulder roast and it's ready to go into the Traeger. And I want to talk a little bit about this baby because it is a champ. The Traeger, I've had other types and the Traeger by far for me has worked out the best that can be. I got it from my mother-in-law, Arlene. Thank you very much, Arlene. The smoking chips I'm going to use are the Hickory flavored. You can go with apples, mesquite, cherry, alder. You can go with all different types. I like them with Hickory because it's very utility. Of course, it's going to be a long smoke today, so you've got to fill up the fire pot right up to the top there, and that's good to go. And then I'm going to set the temperature for a low and slow cook today. So right now I'm at 170. The Traeger is heated up to temperature, and I'm going to get the beast into the smoker. So here we go. Okay, so she's all ready, all seasoned up, all rubbed out. Set up a meat probe. You set the meat probe in about halfway into the roast there. That way, that gives you the temperature of the internal temperature that you need. Plug it into there. Don't need any special features. This thing has got features galore. It's got Wi-Fi. It connects to the Wi-Fi. It tells you when it's ready. Everything. It's really good. I enjoy it. So there we go. We are on to smoking. No looking, because if you're looking, you ain't cooking. And then of course, while every smoking project taken from anywhere from 6 to 8, 10 hours, I am going to turn my attention to another side of what I enjoy doing, and that's riding these things. KTM, the love of my life. Well, second love of my life. I've got some time on my hands today. I've ridden lots and up to this point. I'm going to change the oil and move on to another video from there. So we'll check back in on the smoke and the roast and keep you posted how that goes. Bye for now. Okay, here we go. Bruce again from the Cool Geerage cooking edition. Today we've got our pork on. I said I would come back and check. We've been now smoking it at 170 degrees and it's been smoking for 6.5 hours. We want it ready in an hour and a half and it needs to get an internal temperature of minimum 190 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it up to 350 degrees. I'll let it cook for another, say, an hour, and I'll check it again. I'm not going to open this up because the old rule of thumb in the smoking world is if you're looking, you ain't cooking. So I'm not going to open this up. I'm just going to leave her nice and tight. The heat, maintain the heat, bump up the temperature, and I'll check again back in just when I think it's about ready. So stay tuned. Hey YouTubers, here we are. After 9.5 hours of smoking on the Traeger, we have got our pork roast ready to be cut up and enjoyed. Well, I've tended it for 30 minutes and I'm now about to unveil it here and cut into it and let you guys see what we see. Looks good. Now I'm going to be using my set here, the Wusthof knife set. Fantastic knife set. Got it as a gift from Cody. Thank you, Cody. And so here we are. Looks really good. It's nice and juicy still. It's got the correct internal temperatures, and here we go. Let's just start cutting into it right now. See how it looks. Oh yeah, you see that red? That is smoke red. That's not rare red, that is a smoke red. And you get that with smoking. You have all of that tastiness, the smoke, all the spices, the rub coming into the roast itself. But that is perfect. I am super happy with that. Yeah, that is fantastic. Look at that. Nice smoky red in there. That's awesome. You can tell this part was down. So yeah, that's what I'm going to leave it at that. I don't think I need to show you over and over the pictures here. I'm really happy with that. Let's have a look one more time. And I can't be happier. So for our smoker, our Traeger smoker, started early today and now finished it out this evening. I am truly happy with the results of that. And I know that if you follow my my lead, my recipe, you will enjoy just like we have. So until the next one, Bruce from Cool Geerage out. I would also ask that if you did like this video, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe and get more videos like this and some of the other ones I've been doing, subscribe and you will get them sent to you when they do pop up. So anyway, hope you guys all have a good night, and I gotta get busy and eat some of this good food. Bruce out.